Rastafari, hopeful. As I say in this time, I want to read the ones about the book here. From Babylon to Rastafari. I'm going to go get the book from Babylon to Rastafari. I'm going to say the book very deep. And the reason why I'm emphasizing to get the book and get some knowledge is that I want Jamaicans from the world get back them culture, catch back with culture and start catch back with strength as Jamaicans and represent as Jamaicans, true strong Jamaicans, you know what I say, within strong culture and strong dominance of who we are and the movements of where we're going. And you know what I say, that the right substance for a country, to get back a country to where it's supposed to be. Is what I say. And believe it or not, Rasta nation need to step out. Rasta them, the people them. I'm not talking about the image of not dreads. Not talk. So Douglas Maca. And it's not a man of dreads. Well groomed. You see what I say? Someone want to know. Try to get a book here. And go through the book neatly. Read it, take time and read the page and get a full knowledge. So you can catch back that strength, that foundation of knowing so yo, we are Jamaicans and we respect our culture, we respect our heritage, and we respect where we are from, we respect the ancestors and the ones who fought, fight for us in that battle, who go through that, take that pain, that endurance, and set the way for it. Like we need to show that respect in ourselves, in our spiritual being, and get back our country, Jamaica. Remember, no man of Jamaica, You see me, I say Jamaica land, wherein we are that dominant in creativity, we are that dominant in strength, in love, in righteousness, I say, like, what's up? I say, we need to get back our country, get this book here, from Babylon to Rastafari, and believe me, this book is from the root to the where we're at right now, and still more to go where our future going. You see me, I say, the book here tell you from when Jamaica was discovered. This book here tell you from how the thing go from them talk about the slave trade. It tell you how the Rastafarian was like developed, the whole movement, how it was developed. It tell you like what Marcus Garvey did. It tell you the whole platform of the world. Believe me, that book here, from Babylon to Rastafari, and no need to get it. Believe me, man, get this book.